Through 20 years of experience in sales career as a sales executive, key account manager, sales and marketing head, SBU head, sales trainer, consultant, and a sales coach, I am sharing with you 5 deadly sins many salespeople do. I too have done some of them at the initial stage in my career. We'll go through one by one. Honestly ask this question from yourself. Why did you get into a sales career? Is that the money? Then you are in the wrong job. Because selling is a very challenging job. You have to face many hardships, frustrations, irritations. If you can overcome them successfully, and if you really love helping people through selling, this is the best job for you. It will bring you many fortunes, including lots of money. But if your whole purpose is to earn tons of money, please get into another job. Maybe becoming a politician. Have you experienced some people got into sales jobs because they couldn't get into any other jobs? Therefore, they think this is the easiest job type which they don't need any skills. Completely wrong. If you are getting into a sales job on that reason, this will be the most miserable job on the planet. Seriously. Selling involves human psychology, marketing, management, human resources, accounting. You have to acquire many skills if you want to succeed in a sales career. When you do any job, you have to have the right attitude. And I have no argument about it. But rather than any other job on the planet, selling needs the right attitude. Because it reflects immediately on your performance. Think about you go to a prospect believing your product is inferior to your competitor. Definitely your competitor will grab that sale. Therefore, this belief system or attitude plays a critical role in your sales success. It includes attitudes towards your career, boss, product you sell, your company, customers, competitors, and everything. According to my experience, I have seen well-experienced, skillful, knowledgeable, and really bad underperformers because of their bad attitude. If you're having the right attitude, you can obtain everything else. Therefore, never underestimate the power of attitude. Mediocre salespeople and poor performers have a particular skill that surpasses everybody in the organization. Guess what I'm talking about? Making excuses. They're very competent in that because that's their only survival mechanism. Go to the monthly sales meeting and observe those people. You will understand what I'm telling you. They will tell they couldn't achieve the targets or the sales quota because of the horrible customer, laptop breakdown, bad weather, bad economy in the country, the lousy team they have. The list is so long. Why I'm telling they are so talented? Because they present these justifications logically and beautiful to their bosses so they can survive until the next sales meeting. Remember, nearly all the top performers have done enormous mistakes at the initial stage of their sales career, just like poor performers. But the difference is, top performers take personal responsibility and correct their mistakes. Because when you give the power to another person or an external circumstance, you will never grow. Many salespeople think you have to be really a good talker. No. You have to convince the customer in the right way. Therefore, the most important aspect is listening. You have to play the role of a listener at least 80% of your customer conversation. You have to ask right questions. I'm not talking about active listening. I'm talking about mindful listening. I have created a separate video on that. I'll put the link below. Please watch that. If you are not a people person, if you are a short-term focused person, you won't be successful as a salesperson. I mean the short-term focused person, the person who builds and maintains relationship with a client only in the time period during a sale. I call these people hunters. But on the other hand, the people who focus on the long term, I call them farmers, focus on building healthy relationships, and continuously giving value to their customers. Okay, honestly ask yourself whether these mistakes are having with you. Then take actions to correct them. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, read below information and subscribe to my channel. I will offer you more videos like this to improve your sales and to grow your business. Have a great day.